Hello everyone, this is Vibhav Misra. I'll welcome you all to Exam Code. In this video, I'll discuss how to tell the time in English correctly. I have often heard people telling the time like it's 12:30 or it's 4 p.m. But these are not the correct format to tell the time. There are certain rules in English grammar following which we can tell the time in English very correctly. In this video lecture, I'll discuss those important rules following which we can tell the time in English very correctly. Before proceeding, I would like to inform you that I have also made the Hindi version of this video. You can get the link from description box or directly going to my YouTube channel's playlist. Let's proceed. And here is rule number 1. Minute plus past plus hour. This is the format. Suppose I have chosen a time 2:18. You have to tell this time in English. So you'll follow the above rule. First of all, you have to take 18 as a minute. After that, past, and after that, hour. So it will be said like 18 past 2, or you can also say it like it is 18 past 2, or using the contraction form of it is, that is it's. You can also tell it like it's 18 minutes past 2. Here is rule number 2. Minute plus 2 plus hour. This is the rule. I have taken an example that is 3:48. Okay, means 12 minutes are remaining in completing 4 hours. So we'll tell like 12 to 4, or we can also say it like it is 12 to 4, or by using contraction form of it is, that is it's. We can also use it's 12 minutes to 4. I'll make another video of contraction form of certain words. Okay, what is contraction form in English grammar? Okay, so here following rule number 2, we can tell the time when some minutes are remaining in completing an hour. Okay, you can see clearly that 12 minutes are remaining in completing 4. So we have applied this rule, rule number 2, that is minute plus 2 plus hour. Before going to rule number 3, I have to discuss something with you. Wherever you see 60 minutes, you will use hour, 1 hour. 30 minutes is equal to half. Wherever you see 30 minutes, you have to use half. And wherever you see 15 minutes, you have to use quarter. So this was the very basic information. Okay, let's see rule number 3. That says quarter plus past plus hour. Let's take an example, 3:15. This is the time. You have to tell this time in English. So you'll follow the above rule, which says quarter plus past plus hour, that is 3. I have chosen this hour, which is 3. So the correct English will be quarter past 3, or you can also say it's quarter past 3 like this. You can choose any one from the above. Okay, so wherever you see 15, so you have to use quarter. Remember this thing, wherever you see 15, you have to use quarter. Let's see rule number 4, which says quarter plus 2 plus hour. I have taken an example, 4:45. Okay, this is the time. Means 15 minutes are remaining in completing 5. So how will use here? Again, we have to add 15 minutes. Okay, so for 15, we have to use quarter. Okay, so here we can use quarter plus 2 plus 5 to make it a correct sentence. Okay, so the correct sentence will be quarter to 5 means quarter is remaining, means 15 minutes are remaining in completing 5. Okay, or you can also use it's quarter to 5. You can also tell it like it's quarter to 5. It's quite simple. Let's say rule number 5, which says half plus past plus hour. Wherever you see 30, okay, you have to use half. You have to use half. Here, 30 minutes has been passed. Okay, so you have to tell this time like half past 10. Okay, for 30 you have to use half, or you can also use or say it like it's half past 10. Suppose you have to tell 9:30. So how will you say? You have to say like it's half past 9. It's very simple. You can say half past 9. Okay, suppose you have to tell the time 8:30. Okay, so you'll use half past 8. Suppose you want to tell the time like 8:15. Okay, 8:15. So for 15 we have to use quarter. Here you can say quarter past 8. Or suppose you have to say like this, 7:45. Okay, means 15 minutes are remaining in completing 8. So you'll use quarter. You'll use the sentence like this, quarter to 8. Quarter to 8. So this will be the correct sentence, okay, for telling the time. Here are some important facts for you. What is the full form of o'clock? You have often heard this word. Okay, so the full form of o'clock is off the clock. And what is the full form of AM? Okay, you use these three words, okay, in your daily life, everyday life. So what is the full form of AM? It is ante meridiem. Okay, these words are taken from Latin word. And what is the full form of PM? It is post meridiem. Okay, so these were some important facts. Okay, this was the end of this session. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.